Hi, this is Gary Naxted at NorCal Oven Works, and what we're showing you here is a 72 by 30 by 14 inch deep Santa Maria grill designed to be used on a food truck. And this particular grill is equipped with lids because on the back of an open trailer, our barbecue grills are self-cleaning unless we include lids. And not wanting to clean the grills by driving down the highway and having all the ashes and hot embers blow out is why those lids are there. This particular grill, again, is 72 wide and 30 inches front to back. And so what we've done is we've split this grill 60%, 40%, and we've put V grates with a drip pan, and there's our latest design of our drip pan. Um, the larger size there is for cooking greasy meats that you would have flare-ups on, and the smaller side is used for cooking meats that you want nice grill marks on and cook relatively quickly. So that's why we have the large grill is V grates and the small grill are round rod grates. Um, this is a very heavy duty grill, and you may have seen at the very beginning that there was a toggle bolt on the right hand side. There's also one on the left hand side, so that when this grill is rolled onto the food truck or onto the food trailer, it's lashed in place and the toggle bolt is tightened, and that grill is meant to stay in place when you're driving down the road. Other than that, it's a very, very standard Santa Maria grill, split in this case, and we did slightly larger wheels to scale it up so those are 24-inch wheels because the front to back dimension is 30 on this particular grill. It's a solid workhorse grill, no fuss, no muss, cooks, works all day, every day. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.